You might want to think twice if you're considering spending $50,000 on a car. While it can be tempting to splurge on a high-end vehicle like a Tesla, the cost can quickly increase. However, recent news suggests that the Tesla Model 3 might be cheaper than the average new car in the US. But it's essential to look beyond the purchase price and consider the total cost of ownership. In this video, we're about to share experiences of owning a 2018 Tesla Model 3 for the past 5 years and compares it to the cost of owning a cheaper, more popular car like the Toyota Camry. If you aim to invest in a high-end vehicle like a Tesla, this might become an intelligent financial decision. So, sit back, relax, and watch this video till the end. Tesla upfront cost. Let's begin by estimating a Tesla's total cost of ownership using this 2018 Tesla Model 3 as an example after almost 5 years of ownership. The initial purchase price for a rear-wheel drive model with a long-range battery, standard 18-inch wheels, and additional optional equipment like as red paint, a premium upgrade package, enhanced autopilot, and destination costs was $56,000, but the owner was eligible for a federal tax credit of $7,500, which reduced the price to $48,500. It is crucial to mention that the owner also had to construct a charging outlet in their garage, which was rather costly owing to its distance from their electrical system. The cost after rebates was $940, putting the total upfront cost at $48,440. The owner believes that providing this information will give you a better idea of the costs associated with owning a Tesla Model 3. Maintenance cost. Model 3 maintenance costs. Your new warranty covered a clicking windshield wiper, a non-closing driver door handle, a malfunctioning LTE connection board, and a clicking driver door. Due to 24,000 yearly kilometers, your new car's warranty lapsed after 2 years. Maintenance and repairs cost you. Tesla recommends a $390 brake caliper and fluid service every 2 years. The driver's side window button, charging port door, seat occupancy sensor, and compact 12-volt battery cost $94, $311, $99, and $109 respectively. $1,003 covers out-of-warranty repairs. Tires and insurance cost. Tesla's full insurance costs $150 each month, totaling $9,000. 2 tire replacements cost $1,411. Tire Rack supplied Redestein Quad Track Pros for both sets. Tesla-friendly tire shops rotate most of your tires for free. Tesla charged $50 for each visit throughout your last 2 shifts. Tires and insurance cost $10,511. Given that people are paying twice as much for new autos as before, the outbreak modernizes your investments. Goldman Sachs and other prominent asset managers prefer genuine assets like fine art. Modern art appreciates 20% per year with high inflation, so investing in it can protect your purchasing power and yield substantial returns. Charging cost. Charging has been Model 3's most intriguing cost. Model 3 odometer shows that you can use 30,361 kilowatt hours to drive 120,000 kilometers. Home charging and supercharging cover charging costs. You can pay for every supercharge because of your driving habits, even though you had free supercharging for much of your Model 3 ownership. You can charge 94% at home and 6% at superchargers while traveling. Nevertheless, if If you start a road trip with a full battery and get free charging at hotels and Airbnbs, the first 300 miles are considered home charging. Your car gets 28,539 kilowatt hours of energy overnight during off-peak hours. In Louisville, Kentucky, off-peak electricity costs 10 cents per kilowatt hour, making home charging roughly $2,853. The supercharger usage totals 1,821 kilowatt hours. Many search results say superchargers cost 25 cents per kilowatt hour, which would cost $455 if I bought one. After nearly 5 years and 120,000 miles, your Model 3's total cost of ownership is $64,262, including the purchase price, service and maintenance, tires, insurance, and charging. License costs 54 cents for each mile. Toyota Camry example costs. Let's check what a Toyota Camry costs you now. The Toyota Camry XS8 V6 is most similar to your Tesla Model 3 in performance and features. The Camry's 2018 MSRP was $35,830. Toyota offers free oil changes and tire rotations for 25,000 miles. After that, a $50 oil change every 5,000 miles costs $950. According to RepairPal.com, the annual repair cost for a Camry is $388. But since this likely includes oil changes, all other maintenance charges will equal $990. FuelEconomy.gov reports 26 mpg city or highway for this Camry. A 120,000-mile Camry uses 4,615 gallons of gas. Fuel costs $16,014 at the national average of 3.47 cents per gallon. Owning a Toyota Camry for 5 years and 120,000 miles would cost $64,300, including the purchase price, maintenance, fuel, insurance, and tire expenditures. Why Tesla is the best choice. Considering long-term savings, the Tesla Model 3 may be a better choice for you. In any circumstances, the total anticipated cost of ownership for a Tesla Model 3 and a Toyota Camry after 120,000 miles is the same. This analogy can be viewed in a variety of ways. The entry-level Camry has a lower purchase price and higher fuel economy, but its experience and features differ significantly. Tesla Model 3 has two substantial advantages. First, assuming gas costs remain higher than power prices and electric vehicles require less maintenance, your savings should improve while you own your Tesla. Second, the Model 3's initial pricing has plummeted since 2018. A high-end Toyota Camry costs less than $40,000 with the full federal tax credit. Based on this analysis, an electric vehicle like a Tesla Model 3 may be a better choice for long-term savings if you expect to buy and own a car for at least 10 years. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning the value of Tesla Model 3. Which of these details surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Tech Bros for more content such as this.